What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. So in this one we're working on the Accord again. So something broke. Finally something broke, you know. Things don't break often on these old Hondas, but I guess the brake switch couldn't make it to 200k. It exploded. The other night I was like, or my dad goes, why are the brake lights on your Accord? I was like, what? I don't know what you're talking about. So I walk over here and the brake lights are on. You gotta get the keys to unlock it, but all three. So I was like, okay, something with the brake switch for sure. So I open the door and all the pieces of the brake switch are laying on the carpet. So kind of funny, but there's like a pin that the pedal hits. It's hard to show you guys anything up there under the dash, but I can show you the switch and I can show you and tell you how to change it. But it'll be hard for me to get under there. But I'll demonstrate the problem and you guys will see. For right now, I jammed a piece of something in between the pedal and the actual switch itself so that the brake lights wouldn't stay on at all times and kill my battery. So that's where we're at right now, but I'm going to try to fix it for real, and then maybe I'm going to wash it and get it ready for this little Persian coffee I got tomorrow. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is what I meant when I say the switch is a piece of the switch. So that's like the little stopper that hits the pedal when the pedal returns, and it totally broke off. So I'm pretty sure that's a piece of the brake switch, because when I jam something in there, it does stay off. But you'll see if I hit this brake pedal, that piece of whatever's gonna fall out there. See? And now you'll see the brake lights are illuminated. So yeah, let's fix it. Let's see, how well do these lights still work? Looks like most of them are still working. It's unfortunate that taillights are busted because the brake lights work great, which I guess is a better scenario. So does this one. Looks good. Anyway, yeah. Let's see. I'll see if the taillights fix themselves. Maybe wishful thinking. Oh, it was on for a second. It was on. It was on for a second, guys, and then it went back out. Be so nice if it just worked. I'm so sad about that. I won't get over it. No, still broken. Okay, I'm done. So I'm gonna attempt to show you guys what it looks like under here. Let me just assume the position, which I'm gonna show you with the tripod view when I actually change the switch. But yeah, let me get in there. So you gotta kind of get to lay upside down and crawl underneath, but I'll try to get the good view here. If you guys look, there we go. Finally got a good camera view here. That's the brake switch in there, and you see when you push on the brake pedal, which is the middle pedal if you have a stick shift, and I think this is special if you have cruise control or not, because there's something integrated to turn off the cruise control. So you gotta make sure you get the right one. 4-pin, and it's not too hard. So 14, we're gonna loosen the jam nut. That's on there, and then it should spin out, and I'm gonna try to spin it a little bit to get to the side of the connector with my finger. It's like on the side that I can't get it with my finger right now. So I'll flip it so I can get it off, unscrew it, try to match up the jam nut length with the new one, and then thread it in, and it should fix our stuck-on brake lights. You know what, guys? I just realized that that's definitely not. Some people running by probably wondering why I'm laying on the ground. That's not the brake switch. I'm dumb. There's like a pointer that comes off of the brake pedal that actually contacts the switch. And I could not tell the other night because I didn't have a flashlight. I thought the brake switch blew up. So I guess the joke's on me. Don't want to mislead you guys, you know. So I guess it's not the right thing to change. So we're gonna see about trying to fix that by another means. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I could nut and bolt through there. It's obviously some sort of nylon situation. I bought this brake switch for nothing, but it wasn't that much money. Oh well. Dang it. That's great. Okay, so I fixed it temporarily. What I ended up doing was taking the little stopper pad off of the clutch pedal. I almost broke it because they're really brittle. I'm gonna order a set of them and just replace them. But basically, there's a little stopper pad that the brake switch contacts. It's like a nylon pad, and it's pushed through one side. And this one just totally broke apart because it got so brittle. So I took the one off the clutch pedal because that one was not as bad, and I ended up putting that one on the brake. So now the clutch pedal switch goes right through the pedal. Anyway, yeah, it's no big deal, guys. So now the brake lights are fixed. So it's kind of a quick one, although hopefully I'll lump the show into. So I ended up getting it fixed. So now I think I'm just gonna wash it and try to make it look somewhat presentable, just real quick like. It did rain, so I washed most of the debris off and it's already all wet. So I'm just gonna mix up a bucket of soapy water, knit it down, and try to clean off the tires too, because they're a little bit gnarly. All dirty from that last show that we went to where I got all muddy and didn't even get in the show. Okay, so we're heading to this little Cars and Coffee car show thing here. We got a bunch of Camaros, Corvettes, Jeep, and me in the Honda. A little bit out of place, but hopefully we can hang with these guys. Big dogs. Anyway, yeah, it should be fun. So I'll show you guys, probably pick up when we're there. Wish I could film while we're driving, but I don't have a passenger. Should set up the GoPro sometime. Kind of slacking. Next time.
Drove one once.
Sweet. It's green C4.
Sure. That was back when they just built a hatchet-wielding maniac on the car. Yeah. Nothing except go fast in a straight line. That's when you had a trapper keeper in elementary school. Yeah, that's the car that was.
Oh my God, yeah. A lot of cars here.
Yeah. Sorting process.
The dude who shows up here every now and then, he's got a 6-wheel drive machine.
I've seen that thing.
Yeah. It's a perfect day for
Only
us.
fun to drive.
Yeah, parts of Leafland.
That's where all the power is. I was looking at getting either one of these or a Z3.
The first time I ever threw a power shift was in one of these. That was one of my first, like, whoa, whoa! NSX?
Yeah, that's cool.
Super car.
Such clean seats in there. Really good shape.
Real NSX.
Yeah.
Which Fast and Furious movie had the red NSX on the 80? Remember that one?
Another NSX. This thing's sweet. Nice Mazda.
Make sure I didn't lose you. Well, we did lose you. Just but make sure you're okay. Good?
City cord. Got her all cleaned up, guys. Looks like it's all full of pollen already. This paint color shows pollen. Too much pollen. Got some attention though, not too bad. Some people were checking it out. A couple people liked it. There's a lot of really nice cars here, so hard to fit in, but try my best to blend. Yeah, guys, my wideband took a crapper, of course. Always something broken. Can't win. But yeah, she looks good. It's looking good. Always good to take her out to the show. This is the guy. This is Chris's car. I bought the black Corvette from him. This is his car. Super clean car. 6-speed ZF6 car as well. Nice color. These are the wheels that were on the black Corvette that he took. A little salty, but they look really good on this car. You can't blame him, you know. It's a beautiful wheel. And then we came with a couple other buddies here. A nice Camaro here. Nice SS Camaro. Got a ZL1 and the ZR1. This thing's sweet. Talk to these guys, all good guys, nice people. Cool event though. Just the whole lineup here. Gotta hopefully show you guys some people leaving. Nice Supra. Apparently this thing's got a big turbo on it. Makes some good power. Got the Recaros in there. Sick. Door bars and everything. Little mini partial cage. Nice car. Well, we made it back from the show. Just hopping out of the car now. I really wish that I had some way to film, guys, because let's just say the guy in front of me in the ZR1 Vet got rowdy as hell. He was spinning in a circle. Oh my god. I wish I had that on video, but I was too focused on trying to do something cool. So I gave her a little 1-2 shift. Nothing crazy, but you know, she was popping. I don't think it spit any flames or nothing, but you know, popping and banging and a little bit of tire spinach. Sounded good, guys. Everybody was liking it, so yeah, I wish I could have demonstrated that, but that's that. Unfortunately, I have bad car meet footage. I gotta get the GoPro going and get that thing stuck on there for the next couple meets or cruises. I may have a cruise coming up or something like that I'm gonna do with these guys, so cool guys to hang out with, and it seems like they're involved in a lot of cool car stuff, so it's nice, it's fun. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to work on my Corvette, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this little car show footage. Peace.